Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install IntelliJ IDEA for Spring Boot on Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official JetBrains website. Navigate to the IntelliJ IDEA section. Choose the Community Edition for free access. Click on the download button to start the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to run it. When prompted, select your preferred installation options. Make sure to check the box for creating a desktop shortcut for easy access. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is finished, click on the Finish button to close the installer. Launch IntelliJ IDEA from your desktop shortcut. On the Welcome screen, select New Project. In the project type, choose Spring Initializer. Select your project. If none is available, click on Add SDK and then download the appropriate JDK. Configure the Spring Boot settings as per your project requirements. Specify the group and artifact details for your project. Choose the dependencies you need for your Spring Boot application. Click Next to review your project setup. Once everything looks correct, click Finish to create your new Spring Boot project. IntelliJ IDEA will load your project and download the necessary files. When the project is fully loaded, navigate to the src directory to begin coding. You are now ready to start developing your Spring Boot application in IntelliJ IDEA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.